What's up, guys? It's Lee here. Today I'm going to do a product highlight because I think this thing's pretty cool. I bought a new cart from Special Event Sales, and well, what is it? It's a glassware and linen cart. It's got a middle rack that you can hang the linens from, and then glassware on the back. So the bigger I get, the more specialized carts I need because the more professional you look. And now that I have a whole bunch of glassware, glassware deliveries is a thing. And rather than putting it loose and looking unprofessional, I want to have the right carts for the job. So, in the past, we have those chair carts that I started doing last year that we drop off at events. We've got the cocktail table carts. So for me, it didn't fit on any of my vehicles, and I just cut some pieces off. I cut a foot off, so now it's going to be able to fit inside the back of my vehicles. So I just took it down 12 inches and now it fits on all of them. So instead of 6'5", it's now 5'5". So just 4 cuts there. It's actually there's one more piece that I had to cut there, but I just used my Milwaukee Sawzall and this guy right here, and it did the job right away. Before I bought it, I actually reached out to a few other businesses that had already bought this, and I got positive reviews saying it's a great cart. No one said that it's way too tall, but I measured it first and I knew it was going to be tall, and I edited it so it can be edited. This is the new cart for deliveries of glassware that I got from Special Event Sales, and yeah, we'll see how it goes.